Hey people, welcome to sbcooks. Today let's prepare tasty sweet recipe that is carrot halwa. Firstly, let's take pan, add 3 tablespoons ghee, add cashews and fry it until it turns brown. Once done, transfer it into a bowl. Add grated carrot, fry it until it gets softened up to 50%. Once it's softened, add 2.5 cups milk to it. Cook it until carrot absorbs milk. Add some ilachi. At this stage, add sugar. I'm adding 1 cup sugar. If you want more sweet, you can add 2.5 cup sugar. Once carrot absorbed all milk, transfer this into a bowl. Let's garnish this with fried cashew. That's it. Tasty, tasty carrot halwa is ready to eat. Try this recipe at your home and let me know your experience in comment box below. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit bell icon for latest updates. Don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching.